Hi guys, my name is Bappy Hamed and you are welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, I think you know that on my YouTube channel I started uploading different content, and the best part is that I started taking the live session, right? So it's been long time. I have taken so many live in my channel. If you go to the live section, you have seen I have taken so many live, right? And there I started a playlist called end-to-end data science project implementation. So there I started building some amazing project completely end-to-end. Okay, in live you can see the duration. It is around 3 hours of session I have taken, right? And this is the project, guys. I had implemented called build a complete medical chatbot with LLM, LangChain. Okay, then Pinecone, Flask, and AWS. And this project performed really well. Okay, you can see the views. Okay, it performed really well. And if you open this project, okay, and if you go through the comment section, uh, I can see like this project helped so many people. Okay, you can see so many people out there to understand the entire end-to-end pipeline, end-to-end concept. Okay, so if you go through this comment section, you will see that many of the people have requested me for one dedicated project related course, whether it is kinds of Udemy course, whether it is kinds of let's say YouTube playlist. So they have requested me. Okay, you can go through the comment section and you will see that. So most of the people are having a problem with the project's implementation. So this project actually went viral and people have seen the entire pipeline implementation and all. So they told me, sir, can you upload more projects related to data science, whether it is from machine learning, it is from deep learning, it is from computer vision, it is from big data, it is from data analytics, NLP, generative AI, right? So all kinds of domain they have requested me. Okay, if you go through the comment section, you will try to understand. And one more thing I want to show you. See, recently I have uploaded some of the end-to-end projects from big data as well. As you can see, I have uploaded uh, video related ETL pipeline, then data warehouse. Okay, then data warehouse with a case study. So I have uploaded, these are the end-to-end projects, and if you go through the comment section, so people are loving this content. Okay, and they're requesting me for these kinds of content more. So I'm happy to announce that what I have done, I have created a Udemy course. Okay, so see guys, this is the Udemy course. I will share the link in my description section. From there you can open. So the course name is Build and Deploy 10 plus real world data science and generative AI projects. So basically here you will try to build, train and deploy end-to-end AI system using machine learning, big data, deep learning, computer vision, NLP, as well as the generative AI, okay, with real world project. So here you will be getting 10 plus project, guys, 10 plus completely end-to-end projects. So here you can see the curriculum. One more thing I want to show you. So see, this course is having 36.5 hours of recording. Okay, just try to think about uh, how detailedly we have explained all of the project. Okay, so in this course, I haven't recorded the entire project, guys. So here what we have done, so I have invited some of my good friends. So they are working as a developer with some amazing product based company. So I have requested them. So they actually accepted my request, and what they have done, so they have recorded a few projects with me. Course itself, let's say someone is having a specialty on computer vision, so he has recorded that computer vision course. Let's say someone is very good at machine learning, so he has recorded that particular course project. Okay, let's say someone is very good at data analytics, so he or she has recorded that particular content. So that's how those who are let's say expertise in a different domain, I have invited them and they have recorded some of the projects with me. Okay, this is the best part for this particular course. So here you can see this is the recording hour, 36 hours of recording. Just try to think the detail explanation. Okay, each and every project you will be getting a detailed explanation. Then here is the course content. So here you are having a 10 plus project, guys, as you can see, from computer vision, from deep learning, from MLOps. Okay, you can see we are using different MLOps services as well, like AWS Lambda. Okay, then NLP we have also covered. Then machine learning project is there, machine learning regression problem is there. Okay, Chrome plugin implementation is there. Then data analytics projects is also there. Then some amazing big data project is also included here. And you can see, you just open that. Let's say I will open one of the project. Okay, just see the explanation. Okay, just see the explanation. Each and everything has been broken down in a separate component, and we have explained each and every component in detail. Okay, see. Okay, this is called end-to-end project. This is called end-to-end pipeline. Okay, so if you spend some amount of time, I think this will help you a lot. So if you have already liked my content previously, okay, whatever I have uploaded on my YouTube channel, I think you will be loving this content a lot. Okay, and this Udemy course is like super affordable. Right now, some amazing offer is going on from the Udemy. It is right now only 479 rupees. Okay, if you are from India, if you are in India, so for you it would be 479 rupees. Okay, and only one day left at this price. You can enroll it. Okay, you can buy this course. And if you don't like this course, you can you have also a refund option, I think, from Udemy itself. Okay, you can also get the refund. Okay, there is no issue with that. And if you are outside of India, so I think for you this would be $9. Okay, $9.99 around. So if you're let's say international, if you're out of India, so for you it would be $9.99 only. Okay, but if you're in India, it would be 479 rupees only. So yeah, I will share the link in the description. From there you can check it out. So each and everything I have mentioned here, you can go through the entire curriculum. Even I have also given you some of the projects. That's a demo itself, so you can go through that particular demo. You can understand, okay, how things we have explained, how things we have broken down. So each and everything you will be getting it. Okay, so yes guys, this is all about from this video. So thanks for watching, guys.